Integrate the virtual classroom with Moodle version 3. Log in at vetimo.com or at your academy. Select the Integrations menu. Select Moodle. It will navigate you to the Integration with Moodle page. Click on the Enable LTI Integration button. It will generate a table with 3 rows: Consumer Key, Shared Secret, and Launch URL. You will need them to integrate the virtual classroom in Moodle. Integrate with Moodle. Use the following steps to integrate the Vetimo virtual classroom within the Moodle system. Log into Moodle. Select the Site Administration. Select Plugins. Select Activity Modules. Click on LTI. Click on Manage External Tool Types. Click the link Add External Tool Configuration. In the window that appears, you will need to enter the integration information from Vetimo. Under Tool Name, you should enter Vetimo Virtual Classroom. Under Tool Base URL, you should enter the config URL. Under Consumer Key, you should enter your consumer key from your Vetimo Academy. In the Shared Secret field, enter your shared secret. Do not forget to mark Show Tool Type when creating tool instances. In the Default Launch Container drop-down menu, please select Embed. Click on Save Changes to add the app to the system.